Morning students. We have already studied if the sides of a triangle are given, we can draw triangles, and if two sides and angle is given also, we can draw triangles. Here the length of one side and angles at the both ends are specified. We have to find out the third angle and all three sides of the triangles. Here AB is equal to 6 centimeter. It is QR also 6 centimeter. Angle A is equal to angle R is equal to 50 degree. Angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 70 degree. These are the things given here. You have to find out the third angle of both the triangles and all other sides you have to find out. Here one angle is 50, the second angle is 70. So how will you find out the third one? So angle C is equal to sum of three angles is 180 degree minus 50 degree plus 70 degree. These two should be added and you have to subtract from 180. So you will get the third angle. So it is 180 degree minus 120 degree. How much? It is 60. So angle C is 60 degree. Then what about P? Here also you can do like this. Angle P is equal to 180 degree minus 70 plus 50. So 180 degree minus 120, or you get 60 again. So you can write angle C is equal to angle P. And the first we studied, if the angles are equal, the opposite sides are also equal. Opposite of angle C is AB. Opposite of angle P is QR. But both values are equal, so it is 6 centimeter. If AB is equal to QR is equal to 6 centimeter, angle C is angle P. Then using these two, you have to find out the next. Angle A is equal to angle R is equal to 50 degree. Here it is 60 degree. Opposite of angle A is BC. Opposite of angle R is PQ. Next, angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 70 degree. Opposite of angle B is AC. Opposite of angle Q is PR. So you got the second side also. Here one side and two angles are given. You have to find out the third angle and other two sides. So this is the way you have to find out. If one side of a triangle and the angles at its ends are equal to one side of another triangle and the angles at its ends, then the third angle are also equal and the side opposite equal angles are equal. So using this principle, we have to do the question. One side and angles at its ends are given. Here one side and angles at its ends are given. All other angles and the sides are also equal. In the figure below, the lines AB and CD are parallel. and M is the midpoint of AB. The first question, compute the angles of triangle AMD. AMD. Compute the angles of this triangle. Compute the angles of triangle MBC. Second triangle. And the third one, DCM. All the angles we have to find out. Here, the given things is AM is equal to MB is equal to CD is equal to 6 centimeter. See here, M is the midpoint and length of AB is 12 centimeter. So AM is 6 centimeter and MB is also 6 centimeter. This also 6 centimeter. So AM is equal to MB is equal to CD equal to 6 centimeter. Next, angle AMD. Angle AMD is equal to angle CDM. Angle CDM. AMD, this angle and these angles. What about these angles? They are alternate angles. So using this, you have to write the alternate angles. Then in triangle AMD and triangle CMD, AMD and CMD, AM is equal to CD is equal to the equal sides you have to write down, AMD and CMD. AM is equal to CD is equal to how much? It is 6 centimeter each. And it is already said, if we consider these two triangles, MD is common for both these triangles. If we consider these two triangles, MD is common for both the triangles. So MD is equal to MD. If two sides of a triangle and angle made by them are equal to two sides of another triangle and angle made by them, then the third side of the triangle are also equal. The other two angles are also equal. Here AM is equal to CD and MD is the common side for both the triangles, and here you got an alternate angle also. Which are the alternate angle? Here these two. So two sides and one angle are equal. All the other sides, all the other two angles are also equal. The third side and other two angles are also equal. It is also given angle A is equal to 40 degree and angle B is equal to 60 degree. Angle MCD and angle DAM are equal. This angle is 40, is also 40 degree. So angle MCD is equal to angle DAM is equal to 40 degree. Then angle ADM is equal to angle CMD. ADM, this angle, and CMD, these are also which type of angle? That is alternate angles. Next, in triangle BMC and triangle DMC, BMC, this triangle, DMC, if you consider these two triangles, BM is equal to CD equal to 6 centimeter. BM equal to CD equal to 6 centimeter. And if you consider these two triangles, this side is common. So MC is equal to MC for both the triangles. Here also, if two sides of a triangle and the angle made by them are equal to two sides of another triangle, the angle made by them and the third side of the triangle are also equal, and the other two angles are also equal. Using this, you have to write the other two angles. Angle CDM, this one, and the alternate angle is angle MBC. This is already given 60 degree, so that also 60 degree. Then angle BCM is equal to angle CMD. So these two angles are also alternate angles. We got angle CDM equal to angle MBC is equal to 60. And before we already got angle ADM and CDM are equal. So this also 60 degree. So here it is 60, here it is 60, these are also 60. So you can equate these two angles. So angle AMD is equal to angle CDM is equal to angle MBC is equal to 60 degree. Next, this angle is 40, this one is 40, the alternate also 40 degree. We already got angle MCD is equal to angle DAM is equal to 40. MCD, DAM and PMC equal to 40. So angle MCD is equal to angle DAM is equal to angle BMC is equal to 40 degree. Consider the first triangle AMD. Here these two triangles are given. You have to find out the third one. So sum of these three angles is 180, and DAM, that is 40 degree, plus AMD is equal to 60 degree, plus angle ADM is equal to 180. So it is 100 plus angle ADM equal to 180, and angle ADM is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. So we got 80 degree. So this angle is 80. The next triangle BMC. These two angles are here. We have to find out the third one. Here also sum of angle is 180. So angle MBC, it is 60 degree plus BMC angle 40 degree plus angle BCM is equal to 180 degree. So 100 degree plus angle BCM is equal to 190 degree. Angle BCM is equal to 190 degree minus 100. So you got again it is 80. Same like in the third triangle also, these two are 60 and 40. So this one is 80 degree. So angle CMD is equal to 80 degree. So we got all angles of these three triangles. The next question, continuation of the question, what is special about the quadrilaterals AMCD? AMCD, this is one quadrilateral, and MBCD, this is another quadrilateral. What is the speciality of these two quadrilaterals? Here you can see these two angles are equal because they are alternate angles. Angle ADM equal to angle CMD. They are equal because they are alternate angles. Angle ADM and angle CMD are the alternate angles made by the line MD meeting the pair AD and MC. So this line and this line are parallel. So you can write as CM parallel to AD, and these two are parallel and these are alternate angles. We can write this is as a parallelogram. So AMCD is a parallelogram. That is the speciality of this quadrilateral. Same like you have to find out the speciality of the other quadrilateral also. Next, angle BCM. These two are alternate angles. So angle BCM is equal to CMD. Angle CMD. These are also alternate angles. So these two are the angles made by the line CM meeting the pairs BC and DM. So these two lines are also parallel. So DM parallel to BC. So if these two are parallel, these are the alternate angles. This quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So therefore MBCD is also a parallelogram. So these are the speciality of these two quadrilaterals. Both are parallelograms. You can see here. So this is a parallelogram, the first parallelogram. This is the second parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Here AB and CD are opposite. AD and BC are also opposite, and they are parallel also. So in the case of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. If you draw AC, that is a diagonal, we can split this parallelogram into two triangles. One is triangle ABC and another one ADC. In these two triangles, first one is ABC, this triangle, second one ADC, this triangle. So AC is splitting into two triangles. And what is the common side for both the triangles? AC is common for both the triangles. Okay, it is splitting into two triangles. So AC is common side for both the triangles. In these two triangles, what about these two angles? Are they equal? The angles at the ends of AC are equal or not? We can write it is equal because they are alternate angles. These two are equal because they are alternate angles. So angle CAB and angle DCA, the angles at its ends are equal because they are alternate angle. Similarly, we can write ACB, this angle, and DAC, these angles are also equal because that are also alternate angles. Angle ACB and angle DAC are also equal angles because they are alternate angles. How it become alternate angles? In triangle ABC and triangle ADC, the side AC of and the angles at its ends are equal. Side AC is common for both the triangles, and the ends of these two angles and the angles at the ends are equal. So the sides opposite equal angles are also equal. That's why we can write as AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. So in any parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. AB, the opposite of AB is CD and the opposite of AD is BC. In any parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. In any parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. This is the way we can prove it. Okay. In this parallelogram, we can draw the second diagonal BD. So after drawing the second diagonal BD, these two diagonals will meet at the common point P. In these two triangles APB and CPD, in these two triangles we have already seen that AB should be equal to CD. Then angle CAB is equal to angle DCA. These angles at its ends are equal. So PAB is also equal to PCD. Like that also you can write angle PAB is equal to angle PCD. So both are what type of angles? Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Same like angle PBA and the angles at its ends of BD. So these two angles are also equal. Angle PBA is equal to angle PDC. Thus, in triangle APB and CPD, both the sides are equal and the angles at their ends are also equal. So the sides opposite equal angles are also equal. So you can write AP is equal to PC and DP is equal to PB. AP is equal to PC and DP is equal to PB. So AP is equal to PC and DP is equal to PB. These two lengths are equal. These two lengths are equal. That means we can write P as the midpoint. So in other words, P is the midpoint of both the diagonals, that is AC and BD. The P is the midpoint of both the diagonals AC and BD. From this we can write, in any parallelogram, the point of intersection of the diagonals is the midpoint of the both. Point of intersection of both the diagonals is the midpoint. Then when a line passes through a midpoint of another, we say that the first line bisects the other. So we can state the above principle this way. In any parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals bisect each other. In a parallelogram, the diagonals are bisecting each other. Good morning, students. See the question. In the figure, AP and BQ are equal. AP and BQ are equal and parallel also. And the lines drawn at the ends of AB. These two parallel lines drawn at the ends of AB. The point of intersection of PQ and AB is marked as M. The point of intersection of PQ and AB is marked as M. The first question, are the sides of triangle AMP and the sides of triangle BMQ are equal, and why they are equal? Here is given AP and BQ are equal and parallel. So I can write AP is equal to BQ, and they are parallel also. AP is parallel to BQ. So AP is parallel to BQ. And these are the two parallel lines. If we cut across, what happens? You will get two angles here. These are the alternate angles. So angle P is equal to angle Q. Why they are equal? They are alternate angles. They are alternate angle because these are the two parallel lines and these are the alternate angles. Again, you got one more pair of alternate angles here. Angle A is equal to angle B. They are also alternate angles. Here you got two pairs of angles, and we already studied if the angles are equal, the opposite sides are also equal. So opposite of angle A, what is that? PM. So PM is equal to, then opposite of B, it is QM. Then opposite of P, it is AM, is equal to opposite of Q, it is BM. So you got the angles are equal, the alternate angles are equal, and the angles opposite to opposite sides are also equal. That you already studied in that law. So you got like this: angle A is equal to angle B, and opposite sides PM is equal to QM, and angle P is equal to angle Q. The opposite sides are AM and BM. This is the reason why we wrote like this. If one side of a triangle and angles at its ends are equal to one side of another triangle, the angles at its ends, then the third angles are also equal, and the sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Using this law, we wrote like this. So in the case of these triangles, these two triangles are equal because their angles are equal and the sides are also equal. Then third angle also will be equal. Third side you wrote already, AP is equal to BQ. Opposite of AP is angle M. Opposite of BQ also will be angle M itself. So third angle are also equal, and the sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So these two angles are equal. Second question, what is special about the position of M on AB? So what is the position of M here? We already wrote AM is equal to BM. So AM is equal to BM. So what about M? M is the midpoint of AB. That is the answer for the second question. So the sides are equal. M should be the midpoint. The third question. Draw a line 5.5 centimeter long using a set square. Locate the midpoint of the line. Using set square, you have to draw this figure. So you already know how two set squares in your hand. That is, one is shorter one and one is the longer one. So for drawing, first you have to draw AB as 5.5 centimeter. Draw AB as 5.5. Then using any one set square, anyone you can use it. Keep it on one side. Keep in A. And draw a line on the side A. That means you will get a 90-degree angle there. And using B also, on the side of B also, you have to draw another line, another 90-degree. You can draw it. So here also you will get 90-degree. And take any measurement from A, and the same measurement you have to mark B also. Took this measurement as 3 centimeter, and B also you take same 3 centimeter. Then you have to join these two lines. So join these two lines, you will get the diagram as this point is P and this point is Q. If you need, you can rub this side. We got the midpoint of 5.5 as point M. AB is a line crossing the line PQ, and M is the midpoint. So this is the way you have to draw it. Any one set square you can use it, either the smaller one or the bigger one. Here only if we keep it like, draw a 90-degree from this side and take a measurement, and the same measurement should taken from B also. Then you have to join, so you will get the midpoint as M. The figure ABCDE, ABCDE. So this is the pentagon with all sides of the same length and all angles are same size. All sides and angles are equal. This shape is called a pentagon. And here the sides AB and AE is extended. AB is extended and AE is extended. Meet the sides CD extended at P and Q. So if you extend AE and if you extend this point, you will get like this, two triangles on these two sides. And by extending AE and extending AB, this side is Q, this point is P. So in a pentagon, all sides are same length and same angles. AB is extended, AE is extended, and PC is extended, DE is extended. So you got two triangles here. That's first question. Are the sides of BPC and EQD, these two triangles are equal? And what is the reason? This is equal. So from the question you can write all sides and angles of pentagon are equal. So here you can write two lines BC and ED. If the sides are equal, you can write BC is equal to ED because the sides are equal for a pentagon. Here BC equal to ED. Then angle, this angle and these two angles if the sides and angles of a pentagon are equal, these two angles are also equal. So angle ABC equal to angle AED. So if you consider this as a linear pair, what about this angle? So this is angle ABC. What about here? Angle PBC equal to, how will you write this? It is 190 minus angle ABC. Same like you can write the other linear pair, angle QED is equal to 190 minus angle AED. Angle ABC and angle AED are equal, so you can write these two angles are also equal. So angle PBC equal to angle QED. So using the third law, one side is equal, one angle you got. So the angles at its ends are equal, the other all sides of triangle are equal. So using that law, you have to find out this one. So the second angle, these two angles here are equal. So the next side, angles at its ends, this one angle is here, the opposite angle is, the other angle is here. So you have to find out the other pairs of this angle. So angle BCP is equal to 190 minus angle BCD. Then angle QDE is equal to 190 minus angle EDC. So the linear pairs you have to find out like this. So these two sides are equal, we can write angle PC is not P, it is B. BCP equal to 190 minus BC. So angle BCP is equal to angle QDE. So two angles and the one side and the angles at its ends are equal. All other sides of a triangle are equal. So using the third law, we can prove that these two triangles are equal. So write the law also. This is the reason both the triangles are equal. If one side of a triangle and angles at its ends are equal to one side of another triangle, the angles at its ends, then the third angle are also equal and the sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So write the law also. Second part, are the sides of AP and AQ of triangle APQ are equal? These two sides AP and AQ are equal or not, and what is the reason? We already find out triangle PBC and EQD are equal, so the sides are equal for both the triangles. So we can write AB is equal to AE and BP is equal to EQ. Then if we write AB plus BP is equal to AB plus BP is equal to AE plus EQ. What about AB plus BP? It is AP itself. And what about AE plus EQ? It is AQ itself. So AP should be equal to AQ. So for this triangle APQ, AP and AQ are equal. This is the second part question. AP is the sum of AB plus BP and AQ is the sum of AE plus EQ. So we can write AP is equal to AQ. Good morning, students. See this question here. ABCD is a quadrilateral. The sides AB and CD are parallel, and M is the midpoint of BC. Then DM is extended and AB is extended. So both will meet at point N. The first question, the areas of DCM and BMN, these two triangles, are equal or not? The areas of both the triangles are equal or not, and what is the reason? Here, if these two are the opposite angles, angle CMD equal to angle BMN, they are equal because they are opposite angles. Next, here you get one pair of alternate angles, this angle and another angle here. So angle DCM equal to angle NBM, so these two are alternate angles. Then M is already given, it is the midpoint of BC. M is the midpoint of BC. We can write CM is equal to BM. M is the midpoint of BC, so you can write as CM is equal to BM. So here two angles are equal and one side is also equal. So if one side of triangle DCM and angles at its ends are equal, these two angles at its ends are equal to one side of triangle BMN and the angles at its ends, then the three sides of DCM and the three sides of BMN are equal. So using the third law we can prove this. So therefore areas of DCM is equal to areas of BMN. So using the third law you have to prove this. You get one pair of opposite angle, alternate angle, and one side is also equal. So angles at its ends are equal, the other sides also equal. Relation between the areas of quadrilateral ABCD and the triangle ATN, the whole triangle that is drawn here. So relation between this quadrilateral and this bigger triangle. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to ABCD. You have to find out the full area. So you can find out the area of quadrilateral ABMD, this one plus this triangle. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to ABMD plus the triangle DCM. That is written here. Area of quadrilateral ABMD plus area of DCM. That is drawn here. The total area of this quadrilateral you have to find out. So from that ABMD plus the upper triangle DCM, these two should be added. That means here these two should be added. You will get the total area of the quadrilateral. And one more thing, DCM is already we find out DCM is equal to BMN. These two triangles are equal. So instead of DCM we can add BMN. So area of quadrilateral ABMD plus, instead of BCM we can write which triangle? This triangle. Area of triangle BMN. Area of triangle BMN. So these two triangles are equal. Then so area of quadrilateral ABMD plus, instead of BCM you can write BMN. So you get like this: ABMD plus area of BMN. And what about this whole? That is the area of ADN. That is the another triangle. So if the area of quadrilateral ABMD plus triangle BMN is equal to area of triangle ADN, the total triangle you will get. So that should be equal to area of triangle ADN. This is the relationship between triangle ADN and quadrilateral ABCD. So area of quadrilateral ABCD and the triangle ADN are equal. So ABMD plus DCM, that you have to find out first. Then instead of DCM we can write BMN. So these two triangles are equal. We can add these two, one quadrilateral and one triangle, that is ABMD plus BMN. And if you add these two, we will get the bigger triangle. So area of quadrilateral ABCD and the area of triangle ADN are equal. This is the way we can prove it. Next question: are the two diagonals of a rectangle equal? Why? Diagonals AC and diagonal BD are equal, and what is the reason it is equal? Here this rectangle can split into two triangles. One is triangle ABC, this triangle, and another triangle DAB. You will get two triangles drawn here. So DAB and triangle ABC. So you can split this rectangle into two triangles. Then you consider these two triangles. AB is same as AB. Both sides are equal for both the triangles. Then these two sides are also equal. BC is equal to AD. And see, this is a perpendicular. This is also a perpendicular. So angle ABC and angle DAB are equal, and what is that? It is 90 degree. If two sides and one angle of equal for both the triangles, the other sides also equal. You already studied the law. Two sides and one angle is equal. If two sides of triangle ABC and angle made by them are equal to two sides of triangle DAB and angle made by them, then the third side of the triangle are also equal. Which is the third side of this triangle? Here. The third side of this one is here. So therefore, all that is, you can write AC is equal to DB or BD. So if two side and one angle is equal, the third side also equal. So the third side is also equal. So you can write two diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Two sides and one angle is equal. Using the law, you can write the third side is also equal. So if all the sides are equal, we can write the diagonals are also equal. So this is the diagonal AC and the next diagonal DB. Both are equal because they are the third side of the triangle.